So what's up guys? So today I'm gonna reconstruct my 4.85 Singapore national record single that I set at Singapore Freeze last weekend. So the solve was in the second round, Group B, last Scramble, and then we just started reconstruction. So the cube that I used for the NR single was the WRM V10 20 magnet ball core spring version. So when the cube cover was lifted up, this cube was scrambled like that, and I saw this orange bar, saw that yellow and white were solved, and the other two cross pieces were here and here. And also so basically right off the bat, I already knew I was going to do orange cross, and I saw that it was basically, if I held it from this position with red top, white front, I knew that if I just did a B prime, D, R prime, I knew that the cross would be solved. So after seeing that, I just started looking for my first F12 pair, which was quite obvious, which were these two pieces. So after that, I don't think I saw anything else during inspection, so I just started solving. So that, and I saw these two, and I think while doing these two pieces, while doing this F12 pair, I saw these two pieces. So solved that, and I did these two. And then after that, I just rotated, and I saw I had these two. I had this F12 pair, and I knew that if I inserted this pair, I knew that these two would break up and it will form a really easy insert. So do that and that, and I just did a U. And at this point, I'm pretty sure I finished F12 at around 2.8 or 2.9, definitely sub 3 F12, which was kind of crazy, not gonna lie. So yeah, so looking at OL, so after looking at this OL, I knew that I had an EPL because I saw these two corners were the same color, and I could basically see that I would have a bar because I had this white bar over here. So I knew it was gonna be a U pump, but I wasn't pretty sure which one it was gonna be. So classic OL, and I did a U prime, and I saw it was this U pump. So instead of doing the M U pump that I was used to, I did a R2 one because I knew I would mess up and choke under the pressure if I used the M1 because I suck at M moves. So like that. Yeah. So let me just do it one more time. So I saw this, and this big bar, the B prime, D, R prime to solve the cross, and I saw these two, try and insert it in like that. So these two pieces, and which made this pair, and I knew that if I did a U prime and inserted these two, then these two will break up and form an easy insert. So pretty easy. Then OL, QL. So I think the solve itself was pretty straightforward. It was, in my opinion, for me it was pretty lucky because in competition I haven't had a single skip, like OL skip or PL skip. So this solve itself was pretty normal for me, but the last layer case was definitely pretty easy, and the after case was definitely rather simple. And yeah, but the funny thing was that I thought that there was an even better scramble before that, which was the third solve. So let me just scramble that. The reason why I thought the third scramble was really good was because there was this pre-made 1, 2, 3, like these three pieces were solved on the blue cross, and then the last piece was over here, the yellow edge piece, and I saw that it was 3 moves away, so it was D, R2, D, just solve that. But then I'm pretty sure I was a little bit anxious during inspection because I saw this pretty easy cross, but then I just couldn't see anything else other than this pair, so I just did it like that. And because I knew that this edge would end up here flipped, and I saw this, so I just went ahead and did this. I saw these two broke up, so I just did it like that. And then this was a pretty bad OL into a okay G pump. So after this scramble, I was like, my mental was a bit tilted because I thought I just choked a really easy NR single. So yeah, this solve itself was really unexpected, and I think I acted a bit weird. I think I shouted a bit too loud. Yeah, feels really nice to have an NR single, and I really want the NR average. So yeah, thanks to Mo Funland, my sponsor, for supporting me throughout my return to queuing, which was basically last year June. And I also like to thank the whole Singapore speed queuing community for supporting me and congratulating me for my NR single. So yeah, nice. Bye bye.